Welcome back. So now we'll see how to create pie chart. You can see here is a pie chart. Just I click on that. Expand it or just click on focus mode. So see legend. So for pie chart we should take the field which has only less than 5 sections. Like see I have region, only 3 regions, so I will take this region into the region. Then I can take profit into the values. So okay, so I can see there are this region wise profit is there. So there are 4 regions: west, then east, then south, and central region. So if you see, there is this is a legend. This is a legend where user will see the color of the legend and see the west region purple color. So there is a profit of 37.86%. So how to get rid of this this legend? So what we can do, there is one option in this format, details label. So once you click on this details label, so see what we can do, instead of reading this as a one this only as a number and just by color, we can, why not to add here west only, so that we don't need this legend section. So in the details label, in label contents, I can click on all details label, so that you can see there is west or and central and the profit as well. So this is the, then in values can increase the, so here you can see the position. If you want inside, you can take it to inside. If you want the position as prefer inside, you can get it to outside as well. Okay, so this is the pie chart. Go to back to the report. Hope you understood how to create pie chart in Power BI. Thanks for watching the video.